Welcome to this part of the training. So I'll be showing you how to edit your picture using your PicsArt and to change your background using PicsArt. Okay, so I have downloaded my PicsArt from Play Store and have it installed. So just cancel these. Alright, you can make use of it using data and you can make use of it without data, but there are some features you need to put on your data to access. So you don't need to subscribe for a pro version. So here I want to select the picture I want to work on. Okay, so I've selected my picture and I want to show you how to add color to the background first. So you can come to tools and select adjust. Okay, so you select hue and you just place it at the color you want. Okay, so once you are done with that, you come to eraser at the top here. So you select the erase and then you apply it only on the background. So by clicking the background, it will automatically, the color will only be automatically on the background. So I didn't think the network is poor now, it is not removing automatically. So if it's not working that way, you can just erase it. Just click on erase and you start doing it yourself. So the part you select, whether the clothes, whether the hair, whether the face, that's where the color will be, whether the background. Okay, so right now I'm going to select effects. So in the effects, you can add a lot of effects you want. Okay, but we're still talking about applying colors to the background. These are various colors here. Okay, so I'm just going to select colorize. I make use of colorize or hue most times, so I'm going to follow the same process. Click on the eraser and also try it out. Okay, but since it is not working out, maybe due to the network, I'm going to be showing you that in another video. So I'm just going to do that manually. Okay, so I'm just going to erase it manually. Make sure you are careful when you are erasing it. Zoom it out, reduce the size of your brush where necessary, increase it where necessary, and do it carefully. So to achieve a perfect picture, a background, so this is what I do. I'll come back to my color and change the color so it can be a bright color, so I can see where I still have the colors on the image. So I'm just going to check now. You can see the color is brighter than the one I was using before, so I'll be able to see it better, and then erase again and restore it where necessary. All right. So now I am done erasing the edges, and now I'm going to increase the fade and change the hue as well. So I don't want the color to be too much, so I'm going to save it now. Now I want to change the background, and I'm just going to scroll here and add photo. You select add photo. So once you select add photo, you are just going to come here and select from your gallery if you have already downloaded, but if not, you can just search on the internet for your background. So I downloaded this and I'm going to select it. Once the image appear like this, just drag it across carefully, just like this. You can make use of this background too, but since it's not working, I'm just going to erase it manually. But before I do, I'm going to reduce the opacity first. So I will reduce the opacity of the image so I can see it properly to erase it. So now I'm going to increase the opacity again so I can see it clearly now. Okay, so as to erase and restore those edges. so I can perfect it. Okay, so now I am done. I'm just going to save it, mark. So I'm going to click on this mark now since I am done, and I want to change the color like we did the other time. You can see before and after, it is looking real, matching the background. Okay, one thing you want to make sure is that your background looks real, like it really match your image, not that the background is looking somehow and the image is not even fitting in with the background. Okay, so right now I want to add color again, so I'm just going to go over the procedure again, select your color, then erase it. I'm just going to erase. Now I am done erasing, so I just want to adjust the color fading. So I'm going to reduce the fade and increase the hue till I'm satisfied. Okay, now that I am done, I'm just going to save it. All right, so I am done with it now, so I'm just going to save it now. So after this, you can now send it to your Lightroom for color